Today we are going to graph a binomial. Let's recall what we did previously, where n equals the number of trials, p equals the probability of success, q is the probability of failure, 1 minus p, and r is the exact number of successes. R could also be written as x. You will see that on some of your notes. At least R and at most R we went through as well. So graphing our binomial experiments, we are going to make a chart calculating the probability from 0 to n being the number of trials, the total number of trials. The vertical axis is always going to have the scale 0, 0 0.05, 0.10, 0.50, and so forth. Horizontal axis is we're going to start with negative 0.5, 0.5. In the examples to follow, you will see how to graph that. We're going to draw bars and they must touch. The other thing that we're going to cover is the mean or expected value of a binomial experiment, which is taking the n and multiplying by the probability of success, so n times p. Then we will do the standard deviation of a binomial experiment, which is the square root of n times p times q. The variance is n times p times q without the square root. So when I ask you to do all three, I suggest that you start with the mean, then use the variance, and then do the standard deviation in the calculator. Next, we will cover the examples, which are on the following videos.